बाहर मौजूद है जवाहरलाल नेहरू विश्वविद्यालय, जहां 1 दर्जन अफगानिस्तान के स्टूडेंट पढ़ते हैं, अलग अलग स्ट्रीम से जुड़े हुए। और हमने कई लोगों से बात करने की कोशिश की, लेकिन उन्हें डर है, उन्हें खौफ है, उन्हें भय है उस तालिबान से, कि उन्हें लगता है कि भारतीय चैनलों को देख के भी तालिबान क्रैक डाउन कर सकता है, अटैक कर सकता है उनके परिवारों को। और उनके परिवार अब बिल्कुल भी सुरक्षित नहीं है। भले ही तालिबान कितनी ही बात करे, तालीम की बात करे, लेकिन तालिबान तालीम भी नहीं देगा। और ख़ास तौर पे अगर महिलाओं के लिहाज से, बच्चियों के लिहाज से देखें, हमारे साथ तालिबान अगर अफ़गानिस्तान के लिहाज से देखें तो अफ़गानिस्तान के एक स्टूडेंट है, क्योंकि स्टूडेंट एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम लंबा चला, जेएनयू में एमसीए कर रहे हैं और फिलहाल बहुत बुरी कंडीशन में हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट इज़ योर नेम and how long you are studying in GNU?
My name is Korban Haidari. I'm doing MCA since 3 years. I'm doing MCA in JNU, terminal student.
In present scenario, what kind of problems you are facing? Your visa? Are you allowed to study in GNU?
Actually, my visa is expired on 21st of July. So actually, somehow I don't have visa now. So this is how somehow.
GNU administration permit you to stay here?
Actually, FRRO told me that you can stay till 31st of August.
And after 31st August, is there any dilemma kind of situation in your presence in capital, India?
So after that, I have to vacate. So I am waiting from the Afghan government, from FRRO, from the JNU to give me bona fide. And
Are you in touch with the Afghani embassy in New Delhi? They are giving you the suitable information, or the collapse of the present government is the collapse of the diplomatic community in New Delhi also by the embassy?
No, actually no. Just we are in touching with the FRRO police registration, so they are providing this visa extension. And JNU.
What is the current scenario in your country, in Afghanistan, after the Taliban regime?
So after actually currently.
Is your family safe? Your family members, your brother, sister, parents?
Actually, my family are safe, but the thing is that last weeks I was communicating with my mom. They told me that we are not allowed to come out due to the COVID or insecurities. There is a huge problem for our family that they cannot go out because of so much restriction from Taliban side. So this is our concern, and this is a huge problem for us also. We are thinking about them.
Your country had 3 lakh army. Why Talibani, and how Talibani captured your big city within a 1 week? Is it a cakewalk kind of situation? Are you betrayed by the US government, US army?
Actually, I think we have 3 lakhs soldier, national army or police. So the thing is that the problem is that Atta Muhammad Noor is the ex-governor of the Mazar Sharif. He told that the highest generals or commander, they were dealing with the Ashraf Ghani, and without any resistance, they.
Ashraf Ghani told them to vacate without any kind of conflict with Talibani terrorist rebellions.
So somehow tactically they leave they give the provinces to the Taliban. So that's how they easily take the most of the province.
We had talked with Talibani spokesperson in Qatar. They told us then this regime going to be different from the last 20 years. More freedom, more liberty to the common man, to the citizen. Even female students are free to get education from university, from schools. Is it possible, or do you think it's a open statement for the global media and that's it?
No, I don't think so, because Taliban's are saying that we are doing everything based on Sharia, but whatever they are doing is wrong. What I know, but if they are saying, we know 20 years back what they do. Our women or our sisters are not allowed to go out for doing education, are not allowed to go out without mahram. So this is a big, huge
All
disaster.
paradox statement.
And also, especially with Hazara community, they are systematically killing Hazara
You
people.
belongs to a minority community in Afghanistan.
Yeah. Since long time, they were attacking our community, our Hazara community, Tajik community, and Uzbek community. So mostly Hazara
What
community.
kind of assistance, what kind of help you need from Indian government depends upon your visa.
I need to stay longer and longer time to India. For that, give me any scholarship from from ICCR, so that suppose I am staying in India, at least I do my higher studies also. So I expect from the India, and I appreciate whatever the India or ICCR did to me. So I thank them.
ये स्थिति है कुल मिलाकर के अफगानिस्तान के हालात, जिसमें जो छात्र हैं वो सुरक्षित नहीं हैं। हमने साफ तौर पे बात की और जिससे ये मालूम चला कि निश्चित तौर से अफगानिस्तान की क्या स्थिति है। गुजरात की एक स्टूडेंट भी हमारे साथ बात करने के लिए हैं, हम सीधा उनसे जुड़ने की कोशिश करेंगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेल मी योर नेम।
हर चैंपियन की डाइट में दूध बहुत महत्वपूर्ण होता है, क्योंकि दूध से मिलता है संपूर्ण पोषण। और बफेलो
So what kind of situation you are facing in Afghanistan? Have you touched with your family, your parents? They are safe.
Actually, as I see in news, I was not able to talk to my parents. I just talked to my sister, which she stay in capital. Through all the world, they can see the situation is not good as we wanted. Nowadays, the situation is very bad in Afghanistan. People, they cannot go out. My sisters, my brother, they stayed at home since 4 days. They are not able to go out because they are afraid. Physically, yeah, they are fine.
But spokesperson from Taliban told us there is a particular freedom, personal liberty to all the citizens. Even female students can practice their jobs, can go in university safely. Is it possible, do you think?
Actually, no. For women, there is no life left anymore in Afghanistan. There is no right for women. Before Taliban, we had women rights. We had human rights, freedom of speech. Now there is nothing left for women. For me, as a young lady, which I came to study, now I'm confused. Not possible at all for me to go back to my country. Even I don't know they might accept me or no.
You heard any kind of mass rapes or crime against women in your country by the Taliban rebels?
Raping, you mean?
Yes.
Sorry. Okay.
What is the situation of females in Afghanistan right now?
Right now, they cannot go out of home. They are staying at home. In one city, Herat city, some women employee, female employee, they went for job. But Taliban sent them back to home. They said, you are not able to come to do job. You stay at home. As we heard from news, even me physically, I'm not there to see by my eyes. But all these things I heard from news.
You are feeling lucky to stay in India, in Gujarat, as a student?
Sorry?
Are you feeling lucky to be in India?
Actually, see, now I already finished my study. I was very happy to go back to my country after 3 years. But now I am here. I am safe. But I'm very worried about my sisters, about my brothers, about my parents. All my sisters, they were doing job in Afghanistan. Now they are staying at home. Even my father's shop, they shut everything. My father, he is at home. They cannot go anywhere. They are afraid. They are scared.
Thanks to
I'm worried about my family.
तो अजीज़ को आप सुन रहे थे, आपने समय दिया, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। गुजरात में रहती हैं भारत में पढ़ाई कर रही हैं और ऐसे ही बहुत से छात्र छात्राएं हैं। अभी हमने जेएनयू के छात्र से आपकी बात कराई, आपने गुजरात के छात्रों को सुना, डीयू की भी ऐसे हालत है, इनके पास पैसे नहीं हैं, इनका वीज़ा एक्सपायर हो चुका है, ये खुद को तो दिल्ली में, गुजरात में, अलग अलग स्थानों पे महसूस कर रहे हैं, लेकिन डर है कि तालिबान कहीं उनके अपनों का, उनके परिवार वालों की जान ना ले ले। और जहां तक तालिबान के बड़े बड़े प्रवक्ता बड़े बड़े दावे करते हैं वो साफ तौर पर खुला झूठ है। कम से कम अफ़गानी छात्र छात्राएं तो हमें यही बता रही है कि वहाँ कोई भी सुरक्षित नहीं है। और जहाँ तक महिलाओं के अधिकारों की बात है, ना तो वो पढ़ने जा सकती है और ना ही काम पे जा सकती है। तो जो भी भारत में अफ़गानी हैं वो तो महफूज हैं, लेकिन अफ़गानिस्तान पूरी तरीके से महफूज नहीं है। और इसके पीछे अफ़गानियों का जो गुस्सा है वो अमेरिका को लेकर फूट रहा है और मदद की उम्मीद है हिंदुस्तान की सरकार से कि उनका वीज़ा एक्सपायर होने के बाद भी उन्हें भारत में रहने की मोहलत दे दी जाए। जर्नलिस्ट अमित माचो के साथ राहुल डबास, न्यूज़ नेशन, दिल्ली।